Riwruok ma Siro jopuonjre dhi somo e pinje ma oko mano Kenya Elif program oywago midhiero magikale ka gitemo chwalo jopuonjre e piny mar Amerika. Kane gitwak e romo mane gibago ne jopuonjre ma oseyudo sir ne somo mag masters e piny Amerika, riwruogno olero yore magidwaro e kony koa kuom piny owacho mar Kenya. Jopuonjre 19 oyudo sir e chenro ma higani ka apisas ma Kenya Elif program lero ni gisetiyo kod omenda moheo bilion 1 e siro jopuonjre e pinje ma oko e thuolo mar higa achiel mosekalo.
We were expecting around 100 at a minimum, but so far we've been able to get visas for around, I think right now we have 19 students who are here today with visas. I know, Mr. President, probably maybe you don't know about the Kenya Lift program, but we are a program that is actually a program that has the potential of changing the face of this country, because what we are doing is something that has never been done before. We've been able to support our students. Right now, as we speak, we have over 200 students who are in the US. We've been able to fund these students, facilitate their funding. As I said earlier, we funded, for the last 1 year, we facilitated over 1.5 billion Kenya shillings in terms of funding.
The Ministry of Diaspora Affairs was invited even to be here today to find out what we are doing.